Namaste everyone. Today we are going to start linear equations in one variable for class 8th. So first of all, what do you mean by linear equation? So an equation in which the highest power of variable is 1 means the equation in the form ax plus b equals to c is called linear equation. Here x is the variable and its highest power is 1. Then this is called linear equation. In 8th standard, we are going to discuss special type of equations which are in the form ax plus b whole upon cx plus d is equals to k. Remember, here a, b, c, d are the numbers and k is also a number, but x is the variable. Now how to solve such type of equations? We are going to see from our question number 1, that is, and check your answer. And remember, such type of equations are very important because these are having so much daily life use. We will see in the next exercise. And here first question is p plus 7 whole upon p minus 6 is equals to 1 upon 3. Now first of all, what you need to do in such type of equation, do cross multiplication. Means p plus 7 will be multiplied by 3 and p minus 6 will be multiplied by 1. So 3 multiplied by p plus 7 will be equals to 1 multiplied by p minus 6. So here by 3 you have to multiply both of these terms and by 1 you have to multiply both of these terms. So 3 multiplied by p will be 3p plus 3 multiplied by 7 will be 21. 3 multiplied by p 3p and 3 7s are 21. And 1 multiplied by p will be p and 1 multiplied by 6 will be 6. Now what we need to do? We have to transpose the like terms. So you know 3p and p are the like terms. So bring p to the left side. What will happen here? See 3p as it is. Then bring this p to the left. It is positive here. No sign is here means it is positive and it will become negative. Minus p equals to minus 6 as it is because it was in right hand side, and bring 21 to the right side, it will become negative, so minus 21. 3p minus p will be 2p and minus 6 minus 21 will be minus 27. Take 2 to the right side, it will go in divide because it is in multiplication of p. So p will be equals to minus 27 upon 2. This is the value of p. Now how we can check our answer? So let us take the left hand side of the question. To check it, take left hand side first of all. It is p plus 7 whole divided by p minus 6. Now replace the value of p, which is minus 27 upon 2. So this will be minus 27 upon 2 plus 7 whole divided by minus 27 upon 2 minus 6. Simplify it now. Here the denominator is 1, here also the denominator is 1. Take LCM in both numerator part and denominator part. So here LCM is 2. So minus 27 as it is, because 2 1s are 2 and 1 into 27 as it is, plus 1 2s are 2 and 2 7s are 14 whole divided by, again LCM is 2 and 2 1s are 2, so 1 27s are minus 27 and 6 2s are minus 12. Simplify it now. This will be equals to, in numerator, minus 27 plus 14 will be minus 13 whole upon 2 whole divided by minus 27 minus 12 will be minus 39 whole divided by 2. Now two rational numbers are in division, so take the reciprocal of denominator part and bring it in multiplication. What will happen? Minus 13 upon 2 as it is, multiply by 2 upon minus 39. So 2 ones are 2, minus is cancelled with minus, 13 ones are 13, 13 threes are 39. The answer is 1 upon 3. Is it equal to your right hand side? Yes, it is equals to right hand side. So, hence your question will be correct. Let us see the third part. It is 3x upon 5x minus 5 equals to minus 1. So in right hand side, nothing is there in the denominator, you can put 1. Again, the left side of your equation is in the form of p upon q. So cross multiply. First of all, 1 multiplied by 3x will be 3x will be equals to minus 1 multiplied by 5x minus 5. Then 3x as it is, in right hand side we have minus 1 into 5 will be minus 5x, and minus 1 into minus 5 will be positive 5. Now bring the like terms together, bring minus 5 to the left, 3x, this is negative, will become positive 5x equals to 5, and 8x will be 5. The value of x will be, take 8 to the right side, it will be 5 upon 8. Now let us check again. Take left hand side of the question, it is 3x whole upon 5x minus 5. Now replace the value of x, 3 as it is, x is 5 upon 8 whole divided by 5x will be 5 multiplied by 5 upon 8 minus 5. Now take LCM in the denominator part and simplify numerator part also. Now see, 3 5s are, numerator will be 15 upon 8. Then denominator 5 5s are 25 upon 8 minus 5 upon 1. Take LCM in the denominator part now. 15 upon 8 as it is, then divided by LCM will be 8 ones are 8. So 8 ones are 8, 1 into 25, 25 as it is, minus 1 8s are 8, 8 5s are 40. So this will be equals to 15 upon 8 whole divided by 25 minus 40 is minus 15 upon 8. Again, like first question, take reciprocal of denominator and bring in the multiplication. So 15 upon 8 multiply by 8 upon minus 15. So 8 ones are 8, 15 ones are 15, and here we have minus 1, so 1 ones are 1, in denominator 1 into minus 1, and the answer will be now minus. Is it equal to right hand side of the question? Yes, the right hand side was also minus 1. Hence, this is equals to right hand side, and you can say that your solution is correct. Let us see one more question, that is 2 upon 5x plus 3 whole divided by 1 upon 3x minus 1 will be equals to 3 upon 5. So here also, first of all, you cross multiply. Now what will happen? 5 multiplied by 2 upon 5 x plus 3 equals to 3 multiplied by 1 upon 3 x minus 1. Multiply inside 5 into 2 upon 5x plus 5 into 3 equals to 3 multiplied by 1 upon 3x minus 3 multiplied by 1. What will happen now? 5 ones are 5 will be cancelled, 3 ones are 3 will be cancelled. So here we have 2 into x, that is 2x, then plus 5 3s are 15 will be equals to 1 into x, x, then minus 3 ones are 3. Now bring x to the left side and take 15 to the right side. So 2x minus x, because it is positive, will become negative in the left, will be equals to minus 3 as it is, minus, this is positive, will become negative, so minus 15. 2x minus x will be x, that is 1x, will be equals to minus 3 minus 15 will be minus 18. Now we have to check again. So take left hand side of the question, that is 2 upon 5 x plus 3 whole divided by 1 upon 3 x minus 1. Replace x. X is minus 18. So this will be 2 upon 5 multiplied by minus 18 plus 3 whole divided by 1 upon 3 multiplied by minus 18 whole minus 1. Simplify it. 3 6 is 18. Now what will come in the numerator part? This will be equals to 18 to the 36. So minus 36 upon 5 plus 3 whole divided by 6 ones are, this is minus 6, so minus 6 ones are minus 6 minus 1. Now take LCM in the numerator. Here the denominator is 1, so LCM will be 5. 36 ones are minus 36 plus 5 3s are 15 whole divided by minus 6 minus 1 will be minus 7, and its denominator is nothing, so we can put 1. So minus 36 plus 15 will be equals to minus 21 upon 5. Take this to the numerator, will become multiply, and we need to take reciprocal, that is 1 upon minus 7. So minus is cancelled and 7 3s are 21. Your answer will be 3 upon 5. So you can check this is equals to your right hand side. If these are same, it means your answer will be, let us see part number 9. This is 3 upon 4x plus 1 whole divided by x plus 1 upon 5 equals to 7 upon 4. Now cross multiply. Let us see what will happen. So 4 multiplied by 3 upon 4, 4 multiplied by 3 upon 4, 4 multiplied by x plus 1 is equals to 7 multiplied by x plus 1 upon 5. Then 4 multiply 4 inside, you have to multiply both of the terms. So 4 multiplied by 3 upon 4 x plus 4 multiplied by 1 is equals to 7 multiplied by x. 7x plus 7 multiplied by 1 upon 5. Then you can see 4 ones are 4. So what is left? 3x plus 4 ones are 4 is equals to 7x plus 7 ones are 7 upon 5. Now transpose the same terms, like terms. Bring 7x to the left side, take 4 to the right side. Let us see what will happen. So in left side 3x as it is, then minus 7x will be equals to, this will become negative, take 4 to the right side, 7 upon 5 as it is, 4 is positive will become negative, so minus 4. Take LCM here, 3x minus 7x will be equals to minus 4x, and here LCM is 5, 7 ones are 7 and 5 fours are 20. So minus 4x will be equals to, now 7 minus 20 will be minus 13 upon 5. Again same thing is there, the left hand side and right hand side both are in the form of p upon q. You can cross multiply again. So minus 4x multiplied by 5 will be equals to minus 13 multiplied by 1. 4 5s are minus 20x will be equals to minus 13, and x will be minus 13, take 20 to the right side, will go and divide upon minus 20. So the answer is x equals to 13 upon 20. Now check this yourself whether it is correct or wrong. Thank you and have a nice day.